How to start all over and rebuild your life from scratch. When life forces you to start all over and rebuild your life from scratch, instead of panicking and looking at the whole thing as a punishment, and instead of allowing fear to paralyze you, you can look at it, the whole experience, as a new chance. As a new opportunity for you to craft your life on a stronger and healthier foundation. A new chance for you to be happy. To start all over and show the world what you are really made of. Start all over each day as a gift given to you by life itself. Each day is a new beginning, a new chance, and a new opportunity for you to create something better, something new. To offer more value to the world around you, and to reveal more of yourself to those you love. Each day is a new life, each moment is a precious gift. So make the best of each day. Make the best of each moment. Here are some things you can do to start all over and rebuild your life from scratch. How to start all over and rebuild your life from scratch. 1. Be patient. Starting all over and rebuilding your life from scratch is not an easy thing to do. It requires a lot of inner strength, courage, self-love, resilience, faith, and confidence. And since most of these things take the time to be developed, you need to learn to be patient and gentle with yourself. And you need to treat yourself with love, compassion, and understanding. So make sure you do just that. 2. You are not a finished product. Acknowledge the fact you are not a finished product and that life is a continuous process of becoming. You go through life to find yourself, to become yourself. Through every little thing you do, through every word you say, and through every action you take, you are meant to discover more and more about yourself. About your inner journey, your life path, and about the purpose and meaning of your own life. 3. Embrace change. Life is constantly changing, constantly evolving, and constantly renewing itself. And since life is what flows through all of us, we ourselves need to constantly embrace change, and we need to constantly renew ourselves in order for life to flow through us, and in order for us to feel fully alive once more. 4. Accept what is. Surrender to what is. And no matter how hard and difficult it might be, accept the situation you are in as if you have chosen it. Embrace your current reality. Make peace with the present moment and you will be at peace all throughout your journey. 5. Immerse yourself deeply into the now. Take deep cleansing breaths throughout the day. Pay close attention to your breathing, and with each breath you take, immerse yourself even more deeply into the present moment. 6. Engage in conversations with the source of all things. Engage in vulnerable, humble, honest, and meaningful conversations with the source of all things. Ask God, Allah, the universe, the Tao, the source of all things, to guide you, to help you, and to assist you. And at the end of each conversation, make sure you say an honest thank you for all the wonderful and precious gifts life will continue to send your way. 7. Don't worry about anything, instead, be grateful for everything. Fill your heart with love, gratitude, and appreciation, and constantly express your honest gratitude and appreciation for all the things life gave to you so far, and for all the things it will continue to give you. Don't worry about anything, instead, be grateful for everything. 8. Start at the end. Ask yourself, what kind of life do I want to create for myself? And then, with the power of your imagination, travel in time and see in your mind's eye how you would want the end result to look like, to feel like. Start at the end and build your life with that beautiful image in mind. 9. Detach from the outcome. Since life doesn't seem to care about what we want and about what we expect to get from it, giving us, not what we want, but what we need, it is better to learn to detach from the outcome. Instead of desperately trying to cling onto the many mental images, ideas, beliefs, and expectations about how your whole journey should unfold, and instead of trying to control everything that happens along the way, learn to let go. Let go of this picture you have in your head of what it's supposed to be and put your trust in life. Detach and let go. 10. Let go. Let go of the many limiting beliefs, excuses, ideas, and expectations about how your entire life should unfold and just relax into life. Learn to be soft and flexible. Go with the flow of life and not against it. 11. Put your trust in life. Put your doubts aside and trust in the wisdom of life. Put your destiny in life's hands, and allow life to guide you. To take you, not where you think you should go, but where you are meant to go. Trust life's wisdom, because life knows a lot more about you and your life path than you yourself do. 12. Ask your soul to lead the way. Make it a part of your daily ritual to ask your wise and loving soul to lead the way. To guide you, to strengthen you, and to show you the path you are meant to walk upon. Ask your soul to reveal its wisdom to you so that you can live life from a place of truth, love, and authenticity, no longer from a place of fear, scarcity, and doubt. 13. Walk the path of the soul, not of your ego. Make a promise to yourself to spend your life walking on the path of the soul, not that of your ego. To make your life about creating and offering a lot of value, and not about acquiring a lot of money and having a lot of success. To pour your love in all that you do and to serve the world with your presence, your words, your work, and your life. To let money and success come to you as a result of being true to yourself and your life path, and not to spend your life chasing money and success and forgetting completely about the work your soul came here to do. 14. Make peace with the idea that life is a journey, not a destination. Make peace with this idea that life is a journey, not a destination, and get into the habit of appreciating and enjoy each moment life sends your way. Be thankful for every day you walk on this earth. Embrace each moment, because each moment is your life and each day is a priceless gift. Discipline your mind to be present with what is. To embrace the life you are currently living, and to stop waiting for the real life to begin. Learn to enjoy each moment of your journey, because this journey is your life. 15. Trust your inner wisdom. Take the advice of Steve Jobs and don't waste your life living someone else's life. Don't be trapped by dogma, which is living with the results of other people's thinking. Don't let the noise of other opinions drown out your own inner voice. Learn to listen to your inner voice and follow your own intuition. Trust your inner wisdom more than you trust the loud and fearful voice of those around you. 16. Plunge boldly into the thick of life. Throw away all fears, all excuses, all limitations, and plunge boldly into the thick of life. Live each day as if it were your last and each moment as if it were the only moment you had left. Make the best of every moment, of every experience, and of every interaction life sends your way. Take chances, make mistakes. Have no fear of failure. Live a life without regrets. 17. Remember to feel good. Feeling good is the reason why we do all the things we do. So make sure that no matter what you do and no matter what path you walk upon, you have peace, tranquility, joy, happiness, and fulfillment running through your veins. 18. Thank yourself. Thank yourself for being brave enough to start all over, for daring to embark on a new journey, on a new adventure. Thank yourself for all your courage, your strength, wisdom, and confidence. Thank yourself for all your efforts and all the work you do each day. If you knew you were going to leave this planet 1 year from today, what would you do and how would you want to be remembered? I really want to know what are your thoughts on this. You can share your insights by joining the conversation in the comments section below.